pretty great.
Yeah.
It's good to see the organization, and it's good to see all the dogs getting out and having a good time.
A ton of people here, which is more than I expected, which is awesome.
We like coming out to help the dogs, give them a time out of their cage and put awareness out there.
It's a fun way to spend your Sundays and Saturdays, getting the dogs out.
A rescue, and he's over 10 years old, so I just feel like it's a way to give back to all the rescues. So seems like a sweet boy, and he looks like he wants to run, so I love to run, so yeah, I'm about to take him for a little run.